All right. Good morning, people. This is Chef Olive, Kitchen on Fire, and today I'm just going to show you a very simple trick, very fast, how to open pomegranates. I know it's everywhere on the internet, but my student will learn from me. Okay, so I have two beautiful ones. Okay, really pretty, super beautiful. Okay, I'm going to show you how to deal with that. All right, I'm going to show you two ways. One to eat, so one you can just cut it up and eat, and one is you want to use in cooking, and you want to have all these aerials, those little guys. So first of all, you need a heavy spoon, heavy, because we're going to beat that. Okay, so something heavy. Okay, large bowl because it's going to kind of splash it a bit. No water at all. No water. This is no. I like to use a big parchment paper just here so I don't mess up my table because the red is really hard to remove. That's all. That's really if you want to clean it. Okay, and I'm going to come here. I'm going to get a damp towel over there. So I'm here, right? I'm trying not to make a mess. That's all. This is my wet towel. I'm going to cut that right in there, right in the middle, right in the middle. Okay? The little. And you see, clean. Look at this. It's red everywhere. So I don't want to mess my tables because it's hard to clean. Okay? And then I'm going to go right here. So I'm going to show you quickly what it looks like. And I'm going to do it right here. So I'm going to show you two versions. One is, okay? Done. See that? Okay? And you can finish it up just like that. That's the easiest way to do. Let's do the other half. Same. Show you this. Boom, 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 boom. And then you remove those things. Okay. And there's no water, so I don't lose my vitamin C and all my good stuff. You see, if I put that in water, it's just going to taste horrible. Now they're beautiful. Cool. I'm going to put that away. I'm going to show you the other way. So this is done. I know it's a waste. But trust me, guys, you want to do that. Because otherwise your table is going to be red. It's kind of pain, all right? All right, next one is different knife. For this, I'm just going to cut. So what you need to see is this. It's very easy if you don't remember. When you look at it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 corners, kind of. See, this is where the membrane stops. I'm going to cut the top. So I'm going to remove that thing. It's going to be in the way. I'm going to remove the top. Okay, that's the bottom, the top right here. You see? Oops! Don't forget this. Seriously. All right, I'm going to go about. Boom. Okay, so you can keep that. Same idea, right? And I'm going to show you another way to do it by hand. So let me just do some cleaning first. You see what happened, right? So I need to clean that really quickly because it's going to stain my table. It's fine. It's not a big deal. But you see already the stains. So I'm going to have to clean that really well tonight. All right. Super easy. You see the membranes, right? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cool. All you need to do is cut through the membrane. 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 and you keep going. Now you see it's juicing. Keep that towel under. Now let's say I want to do membrane, and look what's happening. See? Let me get a plate and show you. Okay? You see? Super easy. Another one. Find the next membrane. And this is super easy to grab now. You see? Last one. And here we go. Careful your hand, huh? Go slow. And now you have all this stuff here. And then I'm going to take care of this. Pretty cool. And that's the other way to do it. So you've sewn the spanking one and then the one by hand, because this is something you can give. So I have 5 people can eat that and just eat them like this. Just cool. All right, pomegranate.